Yeah, ride 'em, cowboy. This is the most expensive damp-proof wall in the whole world. It's been injected 4 times and guess what? It's still damp. You couldn't make this crap up. Internal dividing wall. You see, physical DPC, a little bit damper beneath the damp-proof course. And again, you can see that there. This wall has been injected 4 times. One, you can see that lot there, then one's there. You've got the big holes there and you've got the big holes here. And you can see what we've been doing here is those holes where they've been drilled there, they actually broke the physical damp-proof course where they drilled through it. So we've basically applied some products in there to give it continuity again. So like sort of like basically reinstating, we're going to plug it in a minute. But you know, you look at it, so this has been done 4 times. And obviously different surveyors, different people working here. It does not get any easier. This is a bridge damp-proof course. Don't get me wrong, there was more than that issue there. There's loads of issues with this property. They've been sort of like covered up over the years, like there's crap in all the cavities and there's so much going on there, but that's for another video. But you can see here, we've been knocking everything off and everything as long as it's been bridged. This is the basics, but yeah, I just thought that was crazy 4 times. And prior to us coming here, there'd been previous surveys as well. And again, what do they recommend? New damp-proof course. Thanks for watching.